Hey everybody, welcome back to Auto Finesse USA. I'm Sam, your head detailer, and today we're talking about engine bay cleaning, something that is often forgotten but very important during the wash process. Alright, so we're starting up here on the underside of the hood. We're going to take our Eradicate, cover the pieces here, and agitate that stuff into everything up here. Get a nice layer on the engine cover, on the radiator cover panel. Now, once everything has been scrubbed and rinsed off, the last thing we do is take our Dressle all-purpose dressing, give a nice light spritz onto those plastics, and then we close the engine bay and let it do its thing.